Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So today we will present about e-learning integration for English language teaching or ELT. But before that, let me introduce my group members. I'm Alia Pratiwi as the first speaker, Suci Rahmawati as the second speaker, then Nur Alia Safitri Aniyar as the third speaker, and the last speaker is Dewi Fitria. Introduction to e-learning in LT. E-learning has revolutionized the landscape of English language teaching or ELT by harnessing the power of technology to enhance language learning experiences. In recent years, it has emerged as a game changer in the field, offering a diverse range of digital tools and platforms to facilitate language acquisition. Learning in LT goes beyond traditional classroom settings, providing learners with flexibility, accessibility, and personalized learning pathways. A definition of e-learning. E-learning, short for electronic learning, is an educational approach that utilizes electronic technology, primarily the internet and digital devices. To facilitate and deliver learning experiences, it encompasses a wide range of online tools, resources, and platforms designed to support various forms of education, training, or instruction. Learning can take the form of interactive courses, virtual classroom, multimedia presentation, educational website, and more, allowing learners to access educational content, engage in activities, and interact with instructor or peers remotely. B. Significance of e-learning in LT. The significance of e-learning in English language teaching cannot be overstated, as it has brought about transformative change in how language education is delivered and experienced. Firstly, e-learning offers unparalleled accessibility, breaking down geographical and logistical barriers that often limit traditional classroom-based ELT. Learners from different parts of the world can now access high-quality language courses and resources with ease, providing a global perspective and fostering culture exchange. Secondly, learning in LT promotes learner-centered education through personalized learning pathways, adaptive assessment, and instant feedback mechanism. Students can tailor their language learning experience to match their specific needs and pace. This individualized approach enhances motivation and engagement, as learners see tangible progress and relevances in their studies. Lastly, learning equips ELT educator with powerful tools to enhance their teaching methodologies. Teachers can leverage technology to create dynamic and varied instructional materials, track student progress more effectively, and provide timely support and guidance. C. Evolution of e-learning in language teaching. The evolution of e-learning in language teaching represents a remarkable journey that has significantly transformed the landscape of language education over the years. Initially, e-learning in language teaching was relatively rudimentary, primarily consisting of text-based online resources and simple language exercises. This early iteration primarily focused on delivering content and practice materials to supplement traditional classroom instruction.
2. Pedagogical foundation. Pedagogical foundation are the fundamental principles and theories that underpin effective teaching and learning practice. This foundation encompasses a deep understanding of educational psychology, learning theories, and instructional strategy and curriculum development. They could educators in creating meaningful and impactful learning experience that cater to diverse learner needs, foster critical thinking, and facilitate knowledge acquisition. A. Learning theories in ELT. Learning theories in English language teaching play a crucial role in shaping and the way educators approach language interaction and understand the process through which students acquire and know language. Several prominent learning theories in have influenced ELT, each offering a unique perspective on how language learning occurs. Here, we'll explain some of the key learning theories in LT. First, behaviorism, cognitivism, constructivism, connectionism, social culture theory, input hypothesis, and the last text-based language teaching. P. Blended learning and its role in ELT. Blended learning, often referred to as hybrid learning, is an educational approach that combines traditional face-to-face interaction with online and digital learning experience. In English, language teaching blended learning has garnered prominence for its ability to address diverse learner needs and ask language equation. Here we will explore the concept of blended learning and its role in LT in detail. A component of blended learning. Blended learning typically involves a mix of the following components: 1. In-person instruction, 2. Enhanced engagement, 3. Flexibility and accessibility, 4. Support for diverse learning style, 5. Assessment and the process teaching, 6. Culture and contextual immersion, and the last participation for digital communication.
I will present e-learning tools and technologies, which have led in a transformative era of education, reforming how knowledge is imparted and acquired. These technologies encompass a wide range of platforms, software, and hardware solutions designed to facilitate and enhance learning experience across various fields and disciplines. First, we will discuss Learning Management System or LMS, which are digital platforms designed to streamline the administration, delivery, tracking, and assessment of educational course and training programs. LMS serves as central hub for educators, trainers, and learners, offering a user-friendly interface for content creation, distribution, and management. And here are some key features of LMS. There are content management, user management, course creation and delivery, assessment and feedback, communication and collaboration, reporting and analysis, mobile accessibility, uh, integration capabilities, security and data privacy, and the last one is capability and customization. Next, we will explore the online language learning platform. These are digital educational environments that provide learners with a convenient and effective way to acquire proficiency in a foreign language. Some key features of this platform include a comprehensive language course, interactive learning material, adaptive learning, gamification elements, mobile accessibility, speaking and pronunciation practice, community and social features, progress tracking, certification and tests, and the last one subscription models. Next, we move on to mobile apps for language learning, which are software applications designed to facilitate language acquisition on smartphone and tablet. There are many popular and highly regarded apps such as Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, Babel, Memrise Mango Language, Pimsleur, Tandem Language Exchange, HelloTalk, Busuu, Anki, Ligoder, and the last one Drops. Finally, we will discuss gamification in language learning. This approach integrates game-like elements into the language learning process to enhance engagement, motivation, and learning outcomes. Gamified language learning platforms and apps often incorporate features such as points, badges, leaderboards, and interactive exercises to create a dynamic and enjoyable learning environment.
Number 5. Virtual reality and augmented reality in ELT. Virtual reality and augmented reality are cutting-edge technologies that have started to play a significant role in English language teaching, offering immersive and interactive learning experiences. Here's an explanation of how VR and AR applied in ELT. A. Virtual reality in ELT. 1. Virtual language immersion. 2. Simulated conversations. 3. Virtual field trips. 4. Language games and quizzes. B. Augmented reality in ELT. 1. Interactive learning materials. 2. Language translation. 3. AR flashcards. 4. Cultural and historical explorations. 5. Collaborative learning. Number 4. Designing effective e-learning courses. Designing effective e-learning courses involves a thoughtful and strategic approach to creating online learning experience that maximize engagement and facilitate effective knowledge acquisition. Key elements of designing effective e-learning course include 1. Clear learning objectives. 2. Engage content. 3. Interactive activities. 4. Structured modules. 5. Clear navigation. 9. Assessment and feedback. 7. Adaptability. 8. Accessibility. 9. Collaborative opportunities. 10. Regular updates. 11. Feedback mechanism. 12. Monitoring and analytics. 13. User testing. 14. Engaging assessment strategies. And the last, support resources. Number 5. Integration strategies. 1. Integrating e-learning into traditional classroom settings. Integrating e-learning into traditional classroom settings, often referred to as blended learning or hybrid learning, involves combining in-person interaction with online resources and technology to enhance the overall learning experience. 2. Flipped classroom models. The flipped classroom model is an innovative educational approach that flips the traditional teaching paradigm. 3. Synchronous versus asynchronous learning. Synchronous and asynchronous learning are two distinct approaches to online education. Synchronous learning and asynchronous learning. 4. Hybrid and online-only language courses. Hybrid and online-only language courses represent two distinct approaches to language education, namely hybrid language courses and online-only language courses. 5. Using social media for language learning. Using social media for language learning involves leveraging popular social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube as supplementary tools to improve language skill. 6. Teachers' role in e-learning. In e-learning, the teacher's role extends beyond traditional classroom boundaries to create and engage supportive and effective online learning environment. 7. Challenges and solutions. While e-learning offers numerous advantages for ELT, it also presents a range of challenges. 8. Best practice in e-learning for ELT. By incorporating best practice into a learning program for ELT, we can create a more engaged, effective, and inclusive online learning environment that helps students develop the English language skill and achieve their learning objectives. And last, future trends in e-learning for ELT. The trends reflect the ongoing evolution of e-learning in the ELT context with an emphasis on personalization, engagement, and accessibility.
Okay, that's the presentation from our group. Thank you.